Well, good morning from the old guy at Teardrop, Nebraska. I was going to finish putting the frame together this morning, but the fire stick for the heater seems to have run out of fluid, and I don't want to use the Titebond 3 until I know that it's above 45 degrees. I'm going to take the Craig saw unit and take it back to the house and put it together. Our parts for the Craig unit, and there's the saw, and there's that. Looks like there's only 2 screws to put together. We'll have to see what else we need to do with that. Well, I got the Craig rip fence put together, rip cut I believe. Looks pretty much like the picture. You can slide the saw down the guide and rip the plywood, so that should come in handy. Okay, here's a look at the ends. We're putting the 1.5 by 1 3/4 spars in, gluing those and putting 2 screws in each one, like that. And then we'll put the 1/2 inch plywood deck sheathing on top. That one's kind of a banana. Mark this at 3/4. Titebond opening technique is to grab it in between your teeth and pull. And these deck screws definitely have a better pull grip than the other screws I was using. Mark that at 3/4. On there. Maybe it'll be a little easier to see where I need to drill. We're drilling through a big knot there. Okay, here's a look at our frame. Here's our frame to date. I put an extra strut in here at 48 inches for the plywood. Then we'll have another one to go in at 96. I'll have to purchase another stick of red cedar. In the corner we got a little red stuffed halfway across the garage. And it uses up my space, but you just gotta work with what you got. Okay, we'll take another look at the whiteboard presentation on our frame. And then we added the two spars at 48 inches and 96 inches for the plywood. And that's what we're working on currently. Well, it's the old guy again from Teardrop, Nebraska. We've come up with a few problems on our springs. Swapping out to 3,500 pound springs. The issue is the 3,500 pound springs are longer, going to need new spring purchase and mounting hardware. So that's going to set us back some more, and we're going to mount those above the axle.